is for dolphin, so playful and pink, dancing and singing a splash and a blink. E is for egg with hearts pink and blue, spinning around just for me and for you. F is for fox, so playful and quick, dancing around with a jump and a kick. G is for grapes, so juicy and sweet, bouncing and sparkling, a wonderful treat. H is for helicopter with a cute friendly face, rotors all spinning, it flies any place. I is for ice cream, a yummy delight, spinning with sprinkles so cheery and bright. J is for jellyfish with cute smiling face, gently it pulses with soft flowing grace. K is for kite, so colorful and high, swaying and dancing up in the blue sky. L is for lion with a mane bold and grand, waving and low with a paw, not a hand. M is for Mickey, so happy and free, dancing and stepping for you and for me. N is for Narwhal, so calm and so blue, with a sweet sleepy smile and a horn shining new. O is for Octopus, purple and bright, waving its tentacles, what a fun sight. P is for Penguin with a red headband neat, jumping his rope with his quick little feet. Q is for Quail, a cute mother bird, walking with chicks, every chirp can be heard. R is for Rocky with a face in the light, shaking and zooming and its speedy fast light. S is for sun, so happy and yellow, pulsing and shining, a bright warm hello. T is for turtle with a shell of bright green, jumping and dancing, the happiest I've seen. U is for umbrella with colors so gay, rotating and spinning, come with what's may. V is for violin, so magic and neat, playing by itself a musical sweet treat. W is for worm, who's happy and pink, crawling along with a smile and a quake. X is for zone with red color so grand, magically playing the best in the land. Y is for yo-yo, so green and so keen, shouting out you in the liveliest scene. Z is for zebra with stripes bold and new, running so fast, shouting yippee to you.